Welcome to the PC Pal. Ever wondered if your PC or laptop storage is in hard disk drive or in solid-state drives? Knowing your storage type can help you understand your system's performance and capabilities. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to check your storage type in Windows 11. First one, use the Defrag tool. Open the search bar and type Defrag. Click on Defragment and Optimize Drives. Check the media type column to see if it's an SSD or HDD. Second one, Windows PowerShell method. Search for Windows PowerShell and open it. Type this command into the PowerShell window and press Enter. The media type column will reveal your drive type. Third one, check in Device Manager. Right-click the Windows key and select Device Manager. Expand disk drives to see the connected hard drives listed. With these simple methods, you can easily find out if your system is running on a traditional HDD or a faster SSD. Backhand index pointing right if you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and tricks from the PC Pal.